It's your boy, just another trucker, back with another video, you know what I'm saying? I made it through the winter storm, through the tropical storm, through the tornado, through the hurricane. I made it through all that, and I'm back, you know what I'm saying? So today I'm in Charlotte, North Carolina, on the way to Mount Vernon, Texas, you know what I'm saying? And it's gonna be a fun ride, so if you're ready to join in, jump in the truck, and let's roll!
Have you been day drinking?
So I finally made it out this snowstorm, you know what I'm saying? I was stuck in Memphis for probably like 2 days straight, bro. I tried to deliver that same load like 4 times, bro. That was crazy. So my dispatch finally ended up calling, and they was like, would you like to go home? You can go home now, you know what I'm saying? You can go home. And I was like, yeah, you know what I'm saying? I finally get to go home. I was stuck in that snow, I'm ready to go home, I'm ready to relax, I'm ready to see some people, I'm ready to party, I'm ready to turn up. I didn't know the weather was that bad up in Arkansas. I stay in southern Arkansas. We don't get weather like that. I hope we never see weather like that again. The snow is the devil. Yeah, so I had to fight to get home. All that. You know what I'm saying? Then I got stuck in the snow. When I got home, I was stuck in the house for like 4 days straight. It was driving me crazy. Eating Tostitos, tortilla chips. You know what I'm saying? I'm mixing the Viennas with the Tostitos. It was crazy, bro. But I had to do what I had to do to survive. All the stores was closed. Walmart didn't exist. No Popeyes, no. So I still didn't get the meatball marinara sandwich. Damn. I still didn't get the meatball marinara sandwich, man. Well, I ended up getting stuck in the snow with little bro. I was stuck in the house, so I needed a ride. Little bro, he got the Yukon with the mud tires on you. They don't get stuck in the snow. They can go wherever. You just slide like a sled. We sliding like a sled all over the town. We sliding in a sled, you heard me? So when he got ready to drop me off, where I stay is like it's like a dirt road, right? So the dirt road is like covered in snow. I'm talking about deep, and under that it's just mud. We pull up to the end of the driveway. He like, I think I can make it. I'm like, well, I don't want you to get stuck. I can walk from right here. You feel me? Like I can walk. He like, no, you good. I can make it. I'm like, cool. Like I'm ready to slide some more. He tried to gun it up the driveway, and boom. Whenever he gunned it, we hit like a big bump. We hit that bump. Boom, and he hit the brakes. Why did he hit the brakes? Oh my God. When he hit the brakes, boom. So we just sitting there, boom, we just spinning, like we stuck in the snow. So I'm saying, so we just sitting there like, man, like I got out, I tried to push this 12,000 pound Yukon. We end up getting more stuck than what we was. We sat there for like 30 minutes, then boom, my pops pulled up. He was like, so y'all straight, you know what I'm saying? Y'all need some help. The first thing we say is, nah, we good, we got it. We don't need no help. Line, why do we do that? So I eventually had to get out the truck, run all the way back up there, and be like,
Yeah, we need some help.
We need some rescue. We need SOS. We need the ambulance, the fire department, or somebody come help us, please. Ah, damn. I end up running to the house, telling my pops like, yeah, we stuck, we need some help. Do you know somebody? Yeah, I just called my homeboy, Dwayne. He got the side by side. He can just come through, pull y'all out, and it'll be good. So anyway, the dude ended up coming. We end up getting out the snow, all that. Bro, my feet, my big toe. Why is the big toe the first to freeze? I don't know. The big toe, like, why is the big toe? My big toe was so froze. Damn. I don't never want to see snow again in my life, but I know I'm gonna see it again. Now, I'm back on the road. Good weather, just another truck, you know what I'm saying? I'm back vlogging. I'm back, man. Can't nothing hold me down. You feel me? I'm back vlogging. I'm back on the highway. So all you other truck drivers, get out the way, cause just another trucker is coming through. So we rolling all the way to Texas. We gotta go through, well, we gotta start off in North Carolina, then Alabama, Louisiana, then Texas. 15-hour drive, almost 16. 1,029 miles, or was it 1,092 miles? Anyways, it's a 1,000-mile run. You're chilling with just another trucker, man. Get used to it.
Proceed to shower 7.
Shower number 7. Shower number 7. Okay, there we go. What's my shower code? 05435. Yes. Thank you, Jesus. Shower time, people. Shower time. I gotta do the number 2. I don't think I should vlog that. Yeah. So I'm finally done with my shower. Guess I'm gonna just wake up, take this load tomorrow. Kinda tired. Gotta get some rest. So I'll see y'all in the morning. Day 2 of this load. We still gotta get it to Texas. You know what I'm saying? Right now we in Seneca, South Carolina. I think we like 12 hours away. I'll probably drive, let's say, about 6 hours. I'm gonna drive it halfway down because I still got a lot of time before it gotta be delivered. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, last night I was parked at that Love's over there. See that Love's? Right over there. And for some reason I got this bright idea to pull on this parking lot over here because they had a much bigger parking lot, and they charged me $12 to park here. So if you're ever in Seneca, South Carolina, and you come to this Love's right here across the street, it's this Mobile. So if you come over here, just know that you gotta pay $12 for parking.
Light speed, they tryna catch me, chasing chicks like I'm supposed to. This life ain't guaranteed, no. I take a load across the sea, hope I make it through this weather, cause this life ain't guaranteed, no. Light speed, they tryna catch me, chasing chicks like I'm supposed to. This life ain't guaranteed, no. I take a load across the sea, hope I make it through this weather, cause this life ain't guaranteed, no, no. Tryna catch me, and shit like I'm supposed to, this life ain't guaranteed, no. I take a load across the sea, hope I make it through this weather, cause this life ain't guaranteed, no. Light speed, they tryna catch me, chasing chicks like I'm supposed to. This life ain't guaranteed, no. I take a load across the sea, hope I make it through this weather, cause this life ain't guaranteed, no. Light speed, they tryna catch me, chasing chicks like I'm supposed to. This life ain't guaranteed, no. I take a load across the sea, hope I make it through this weather, cause this life ain't guaranteed, no.
Stress will kill you. Yeah. Stress will kill you. Yeah. And right after you got out, he gave her $2 million.
I drove like 6 hours. I got like 6 more hours left. So tomorrow, this load should be completed. You know what I'm saying? I forgot I had to come through Mississippi. I pulled over at a truck stop in Mississippi. So from Charlotte, North Carolina, I had to go through South Carolina, then Georgia, then Alabama, then Mississippi, and then I gotta go through Louisiana, and then I'll be in Texas. You know what I'm saying? So tomorrow I should have this completed. But for right now, I'm finna get some sleep, and I'll wake up in the morning, start over, do the same thing again. So I'll see y'all tomorrow. Good morning, y'all. Day 3 of this load. I'm up, I'm ready to roll, you know what I'm saying? I'm ready to get the job done. So let's go. Gotta get me something to drink, something to drink, something to drink. Time to get some fuel. Let's go. Now we need to get some food.
Came up now, I done got famous. Stay down until I came up. I done came up now, I done got famous. Stay down until I came up. I done came up now, I done got famous. Stay down until I came up. I done came up now, I done got famous. Stay down until I came up. I done came up now, I done got famous. Stay down until I came up. I done came.
I found the phone. I just found the phone on the ground. It was crazy. I wonder who it is. Still at work. I don't want that phone. Hand sanitizer, people. Keep your hands clean. Coronavirus.
Boy, if you don't get...
So today, I got the Dave's Double and a small fry. And now I'm finna eat this and get back on the road. Y'all see that? This burger is dry. Tastes like a cactus. Whatever that tastes like.
Stay down until I came. I done came up now, I done got famous. Stay down until I came. I done came up now, I done got famous. Stay down until I came. I done came up now, I done got famous. Stay down until I came. I done came up now, I done got famous. Stay down until I came. I done came up now, I done got famous. Stay down until I came up. I done came up now, I done got famous. I came. I done came up, now I done got fame. Stay down until I came. I done came up, now I done got fame. Stay down until I came. I done came up, now I done got fame. Stay down until I came. I done came up, now I done got fame. Stay down until I came. I done came up, now I done got fame. Stay down until I came.
So we finally made it to Texas. Gotta slide my tandems back, turn my papers in, drop the trailer, then we good to go. Take my papers in here.
I'm so sorry.
Oh, you good?
What is your... Are you alive? Unload.
No, drop.
Drop.
Yeah.
I think it's through XPOL. Let's see. So you wanna come back and get this once it's empty? You wanna come back this trailer, right? You wanna get this trailer back to you?
No, I'm picking up an empty trailer.
Okay, what empty do you have there?
Well, I'm picking it up somewhere else in another location.
Okay, so you just wanna drop
Yeah,
it?
just dropping it.
What is your trailer number, sir? Alright, sir. Slide the tandem and pull up for the seal.
Okay.
Location 1821. 1823 is in the corner on the third row. You're gonna drop in 1821 and you have to exit on that building. Thank you, sir. Have a safe night.
All right, thank you. Okay, now I gotta pull up so they can check my seal and then drop the trailer and I'm good to go.
Stay down until I came. I done came up, now I done got fame. Stay down until I came. I done came up, now I done got fame. Stay down until I came. I done came up, now I done got fame. Stay down until I came. I done came up, now I done got fame.
So I finished that load, delivered it on time, of course. You know what I'm saying? Now I'm finna go take me a shower because I'm tired. And all that. See, got my shower coat already. See that? Gotta have my mask. Put my phone in my pocket. Gotta put my mask on before I go in the store, because I don't want that virus. Shower number 7 again. 42609. 42609. Yes. Another one in the books. If you like that video, you enjoyed the ride, like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, because I will be dropping more vlogs soon. So make sure you stay tuned. Y'all know what it is. Life on the road. Get used to it, man. Your boy, Just Another Trucker, signing out.
Okay, don't get too much. Let's go. No. You think so? Man, okay. Just a little bit.
Hey, ease on up there.